I had this question about Affinity Photo, how to turn a silhouette like this into a transparent background. So this area becomes the black and this area becomes the transparency. Now there's probably lots of ways of doing it. Please put in the comments below if you can think of a even quicker way than this. I'm certain there are ways of doing it. But the first thing I thought, well, what I can do is I can go here, this background. Now it's not complete transparent. You can see there's obviously a bit of a shadow there. You can go to filters, down to colors and procedural texture. Select that. And now you've got this equations. Well, there's nothing there at the moment, but what you can do, you can click plus. Now you can put these on, go all the way along. You don't have to, but I'm just going to go R, G, B and A. And then I'm going to put 1 minus A. And that's all you need to do. And then you've got this transparency. And also this becomes solid. Or fairly solid. It wasn't particularly totally transparent. And then click apply. Well, you're thinking, great, I've got this white now and this is transparent. I want it to be black. Well, a great way of doing it, and you can do it via layer and invert. There's probably other ways of doing it as well, maybe apply image, etc. But I'm going to go with layer and invert. And now you've got that inverted. And you can see now you've got the transparency for the silhouette and you've got this black background. Again, please put in the comments below if you can think of a much easier way of doing it. There probably are much easier ways of doing this, but this is certainly one way that I quickly do it. Also, any other comments about Affinity Photo? Always great to hear from you. Also, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Always adding new tutorials all the time about Affinity Photo, as well as, of course, other applications as well. Bye.